I'm Manish from Crest Business Solutions. Today I'm going to show you a demo of iDoc approval. In our system iDoc approval, we have selected a scenario where we are going to submit a memo and request for the approval for the memo. So let's assume I'm as a requester who is looking for the demo, who is going to submit the memo and request for the approval from the demo one. So Manish is the user one who is going to request, and demo one is the person who is going to verify and approve the memo. Let me go to the system. So here is the iDoc approval. So in iDoc approval, we have we have the main form, requisition form. Then we have my task, where I know that what are the my task which I have to review and approve. Now, let me fill the submission part first. So let me go and select the memorandum form. So once I select the memorandum form, I have the form available in the link below. So if I click over here, I can open the form. So here basically is a PDF fillable form. So what we can do, we can actually fill this form like purpose, and we can fill the form over there, background, like request for property lease. So, and then we can fill, and we can use fill and sign over there. Let me show you a form which we have already pre-filled and saved it over here. So that is one of the lease agreement form which we have filled and saved it. So this is where we request like the reference number, date, we fill to seek management approval for leasing, then fill and sign over there. Now we are going to use this lease agreement form to upload and submit for the verification and approval. So Manish is going to select this category. So we have this type, we have every company applied for. So let's say I choose Mitsubishi Motors, where we are going to apply for it, and subject. So memo for the leasing of office property leasing request. Let me, and so now I'll upload the requisition form. So we use this as a digital form. The purpose of using this as a digital form, because the form PDF fillable forms are restricted and they cannot be modified easily. They have to follow, and as per the ISO compliance as well, we can have the forms over here. So let me upload the form first. So I'll upload the form. Now I have to, once my form is uploaded, so this is the requisition form. Now the management looks for the supporting documents. So I am going to add the supporting documents over here. So let me upload some of the supporting documents. So let's say my property is at Co-Place 5. Now I'll add the property description, details, and over things. So now I have submitted the form for the memo request for the property leasing at the Co-Place 1 and the Co-Place 1 property details. Now I can submit the request. So once I submit the request, I'll get an ID over here which can be tracked in terms of request number 6 has been started and submitted. Now I can go back and track. So when I go back, I see my request status. Now I can see my request status. So 6, this memorandum, memo for leasing, property leasing, it is at approval stage, and there is no date of final delivery. So these things like quantity, amount, priority, status, approval one stage status, and all those things can be added into the system over there. So once I'll submit the request, I will receive an email. So I'll receive an email notification in terms of that my request has been submitted, and then since my approver is demo one. So let me go to the demo one over here. So let me go to the demo one. So this is demo the login of the demo one user. So in the demo one user, I click on the iDoc approval. So I can go to the e-form. And then here you can see in my task. So in my task, you can see that, okay, I have recently requested issue number 6 pending subject approval. So this task is pending for me. So I can go and click, and the same thing has been emailed to me that this issue status, issue number 6 pending approval, memo for leasing office has been there. So when I submit my request, so Manish submit the request, and then I can have the request number, details, subject, pending approval, no, which company I have applied for, is there any quantity, amount, the links of the documents which I have submitted. So there is a notification email. The similar email will go to the user over here. So let me go and use the Outlook over here. I can go to the Outlook. And I can see the same email goes to the demo one because he needs to approve. So demo one needs to approve. Demo one can go and check, okay, what is this application all about? Can click on the action link to approve. We go back here. So when I click on the action link over here in the issue, it will take me directly to the my task. My task where I can review this document. I can click on this. I can preview. I can edit more options over here. So what I'll do, I can edit from here. I have the choice to approve and reject over there. So let me take you to another example over here. Let me go through this window. So this is another view where user can know that when I logged in as demo 2, I can go to the my task. I can look into this my pending task. I can click over here. I will go to the same screens over there. And then I'll click on the show more. I put my comments, approved by demo 1, approve. So once I approve, I'll go back to the document approval system. So it will show in my request status, it will in my task, it will show all my task is approved. Now let me go and check at the Manish hand. So Manish will go and check on the request status. So since since the document is approved, yeah, I'll get an email notification. Your request has been approved. Group admin staff will act in that case, and I'll get the details. I know what time demo 1 has my manager have approved and what is the date. All the details I'll get over there as a summary, and I can see in my system as well. This is my login form. So I'll see. I'll go to my I go to request status and I can see this my request has been approved over here. So, and I can track my requests, that how many requests I have submitted. So I have submitted one request, I have approved pending and rejected request over there in a chart over there. So friends, this is all about the system iDoc.